Hello, tech lovers. This is Tech with Bumi, and this channel is for entrepreneurs, business owner. If you're looking for passive income, it's just everything. We just discuss everything about business. So, if this connotes to what you're looking for, why not subscribe and join the family, join the tech family. So, in our today's topic for today, I'll be showing us how to use Canva to create your tables. You can do different things with table. You can create your content. And it's also good for for your classroom, for your project and all that. So stick to this channel and watch till the end as we dive into the main tutorials. Watch this video to the end and you see the business person I'll be shouting out. And if you want me to shout you out on my channel, all you need to do is you continue watching it, okay? Then you see the procedures along the line. So regarding our tutorials for today is how to create tables. I'll be using presentations. So I'm going to create a blank one. So this is going to enable me create what I want to do. So now, how do you find the tables? So to find the tables, you go to Element and you scroll down and you see tables and you click See All. We have different types of we have three types of tables to use. We have this. We have the second one too. And we have this. So we're going to give it the first one. You can see the inner line, the inner one. You can see inside color. The other one, you can see that there's just a color on top and the tables and lines are here. You can see the transparency. But this, you can see that it's only colored and it's only the Greeks outside that is transparent. So let me put a color at the background. Can you see? This has, you can see colors in between this one. You can see colors in between this one, but this color, the black color is still there. It has to be chosen before you change it, okay? So, and the last one, you can see that the middle, the Greek inside there, only the transparent ones, okay? So let's create a new table. Let's create a new stuff for our job. And I'm going to clean this. So now let's customize our table. Like when you click on these three dots, you can see this line. You see copy, paste, delete. And when you click on this, so when you click on this row, this line, it's show you a slight one. Can you see? Can you see? I don't know if you can see. This row is blocking it. Can you see? Yeah. So, and this one, if you click on this, it's going to give you something like this. So basically, and let's do something. Let's go to text. inside. I'm going to type inside and do copy and paste. So if you come to this place, if you click on this column and you click here, you see copy, and you come to this column and you see paste. So you can see we have delete column, delete row, add column before, add column after. So let's just do it, delete column, so it gives us double column. Okay, so now we say add column before. Can you see it added? Add column after, it added. And move up, right, move column left. Can you see? So basically, I believe you can work on this and you can practice it on your own. Another thing you can also do is, let me show you an example of size row. Like, for example, pay attention to this. Something like this is up, so I click on this. I want it to be adjustable to a normal row. So you say it's back to normal. So now I want to show you some more examples or more things you can do with Canva tables. So another features is you can pay attention to this. You can see these two on this top row. So if you click on this column, you can see it added some things to it. You can change the font size, you can add color, you can change it as bold, this, and you can actually work on the front also. And the color, for example, you can change the color of this to red. So basically, you can design the colors to make it attractive in your own way. Like, we can put another color, just make it attractive in your own way. You can put different colors you want. So I hope you're enjoying these tutorials. If you don't have the tutorial, the Canva, you can sign up with my affiliate link in the description box. So you can just beautify it, style it your way. You can change the border color. We can change it to, let's say, this color. You can see. And we can also change the width. You can space it, you can reduce the spacing, and you can cell space also. Okay, so if you don't like the way there are two spaces here, you can customize it, and you come to this place and you can reduce the spacing till it comes to 0. So now I want to fill up these tables, and I will show you when I'm done. I want to create a classroom schedule. So I want to straighten what is in double lines. So I want to straighten it. So you click on size row content. So I'm adding my time here, 8 o'clock. Then it's just a rough one I'm doing. 9 o'clock a.m. So this is what I have my classroom schedule. So now we want to style it to look more attractive and more beautiful. So you scroll down and you see style, and you can choose any of these trending colors that you like. It's a lot. So you choose anyone that you feel like choosing. Can you see it's changing? Yeah. So this is beautiful. You can decide to choose anyone that suits your color. So I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can decide to choose anyone you love. Yeah, let's just play with it a while. I think I like this. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. So I added additional topic to it, like a classroom schedule, and I want to add a background to this to make it attractive. So I'm going to go to effect, and I'm going to do this. Can you see? And the good thing is that I can change. I want to change the color. So this is our background image. So you can move this, and if you want to continue writing, you can decide to add something to it, and it will be giving you the options. But we're not adding anything to it. I think this is okay. So now we want to add our background. You can add background to it. Let's put this like this. You can add your background by changing the background. You can put different styles depending on the one you find. You can add patterns. If you find anyone that is suitable to you, to your design, you can use. So this is how to add your background to it. You can add texture. You can add texture, and so let's choose one before we download. So you can change the color. You can change the color. We're still on background. I've not gotten. So I think we're good with this. So now let's now download. So I'm not downloading the 3 examples I did. I'm only using this number 3. So if you want a digital stuff, if you want to download in digital way, you can use PDF. If you want to print, you can use PDF print, and you can also download with PNG. But I'm going to use PDF standard. Okay, so download. This is our finished product. Isn't this beautiful? So comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For a shout out, put any of our videos on your Instagram story and we'll give you a shout out. Thank you. Bye for now. Kindly check out this business on Instagram and patronize If you want me to give you a shout out for your business, all you need to do is leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel, and post a video on Instagram, on your Instagram story, and don't forget to tag me. Okay.